All the leaves are off the trees. I need to go over the yard one more time with the mower and mulch up those leaves. Yeah, I just wanted to take a minute and thank everybody for watching the videos we've put out. It does mean a lot to Ann and I. And bleep bloop, a comment down there if you don't mind. Let us know where you're from, where you're watching from. And we're in Maryland is where we're at. But I'm always interested to see where people are from. So yeah, bloop bloop it down below in the comments where you're from. The things we do to get good shots. You other content creators know what I'm talking about. If I were independently wealthy, I'd have 15 cameras set up and would get every angle every time, but that's not the case. And some people wonder why it takes so long to do anything. Well, this is just one reason. The other reason is my inexperience, probably. Well, she's in. A lot bigger than I thought. It won't be able to go back much because of the tire hanging out the back. Okay, so this is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler that we're going to be replacing the thermostat on, just throwing a check engine light, and replacing the shocks on it, and maybe a couple other things. But that's what we're doing with this. It's a friend of mine. Her Jeep. I used to have one just like it, but it was black. Sold it a couple years ago when we moved here. So first step was to get it here in the shop so I could start taking it apart, but she's in. So not exactly sure when I'll get to it, but I'll work on it when it's bad outside and raining outside and I can't do anything else outside. We're back out here this morning, and first thing I want to do is I bought some brackets for the doors so we can get rid of these things here. They don't work very well, and you've got to push the door from the outside in, and these new ones you'll be able to clamp it and then pull it back. So we're going to get rid of those and just do a couple things out here today. So hang tight, let me get set up and be right back with you. See how this works. I guess this screws in here. There's a nut that goes on the back side. Okay. Just let this door go here. See how tight it is, and then you can't really pull it in to latch that, so this will work out much better, I think. Okay. Let me go find couple of bolts to put in here, to put in there, and here. I guess it didn't come with any hardware, so hang tight, let me find some hardware here. Alright, you really can't put any bolts in there to hold that, so because of this lever needing to come back, there's no clearance in there. So I got these construction screws. They're probably 1 3/4 inches long, so we'll see if this will hold. Sure it's straight. Okay, let's adjust the door here. So you twist that in, and that will bring that door in closer. Kind of see how far we need to go. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yep, that'll work right there. Cool. That'll be a whole lot easier. Whole lot easier. I'll get that tightened up, but okay, let's do the other side. And we can probably do this as a backup. Yeah, could do it as a backup. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna work on the other side over here. I ain't going nowhere. All right, let's close the door again. You just screw this in to adjust it. That pulls it in further. I think that'll do it right there. All right, cool. Much more secure that way. All right, cool, done deal.